Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we have been designing this website from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now in this video, I'll show you how to deploy this website online. So let's get started. Now we're going to use this service called netlify.com for deploying our website. You can just go ahead and create a free account. You can also log in with your GitHub account. And once you log in, you will find this screen right here. And there are two options of uploading the website. You can upload it from your GitHub account, or you can also simply go ahead and drag and drop the site folder over here. I'll just use this second method. So this is my website and this is the parent folder. So we can just drag and drop this folder over here. So let's do that. And here we can see it has this message, deploy success. So let's click on dismiss. And this is the URL of our website right now. So let's go ahead and open the URL. So let's click on open production deploy. And here's our website and everything looks as expected. Let's take a look at the mobile version. And this also looks all right. Let's click on this menu icon and it is also working. So everything is working all right. Now the last thing we will do is we will change this URL. So let's go back and let's go to options and deploy settings. And here let's scroll down and let's look for the option of changing the URL. So for that you can just go over here to general and here we can see we have the site information. And here we have the option of changing the site name. So let's click on that. And here we can change the site name. So I'll just change this to, let's try LB Music. Let's click on save. And we can see that the site name has changed. So now let's go ahead and open this URL. And now we can see that the website is displayed exactly as expected. And we have the new URL over here. You can also add your custom domain if you have purchased one over here. So that's basically how easy it is to deploy your website online on Netlify. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.